Hey guys, I'm Smallleaf here, and welcome to Popty's Poptisserie, a game about cooking dishes for Halloween. I don't really know much else about it, but let's go ahead and get into the game then. Good morning, good morning. Are you ready for today's deliveries? Popty. I'm sure you remember, but I can explain your job for today if you'd like. Do you want me to give you a short tutorial? Go for it. There should be 9 orders for today from an assortment of our monster townsfolk. You need to find our clients and ask them what they want to eat. You'll need to remember the details of the order, and everyone will have 2 specifics that they'd like for their dessert. After you hear the order, come back to me and tell me what they'd like to make, or like me to make. I can bake fast, so don't worry about that. After that, all you have to do is walk the dessert back to the customer. They're sure to be excited as long as you order the correct sweet, that is. If you hear this sound, it means that you agreed to deliver a customer's food. I don't want you to overwork yourself, so you can only take 1 order at a time. You'll know when you completed a delivery when you hear this sound. When you do, you'll be able to see the recipe by pressing tab. That's your cookbook. If anything important comes up, you can always press escape to see your options. There's no rush, though. Good luck out there. Oh, look at me. I'm so cute. I'm a bird, I look like. Bird girl. Lovely. Oh, I love the art style. No, it works in the mall. Oh, maybe we can talk to them. See what they want. How do I... Space. Oh, you're here. Hush now. I need to put through a secret order. If you'd remember, today's an important day for Bay and I. It was just yesterday that, Pardon my reminiscing. Where was I? Yes? You recall, yes? Brain fritters. Those fried little pastries she's just positively ravenous for. Made sweet, just like her. She prefers it with a lot of surface area. If I've memorized it correctly, there's so much in life to remember. You know, wrinkly little things brains are. Quite so. Why, I believe it was only 20 years ago or so, though. Okay, that's all we need, I guess. Brain fritters, lots of surface area. I love all these characters, they're so cute. So. Oh, Lena is ordering for Bay. I guess she knows the way to her ghoul friend's heart. How large of an order did she want? Did she specify? How does she want the dough? Very wrinkly. Coming up. I thought the highlighted ones would be the criteria, but no. I gotta pay more attention. Please tell me I got it right. What? There's far too little of these for my beloved Bay. She'd eat them much too quickly. Please bring more. There's no rush, of course. Bay and I have all the time in the world, but it must be correct. I need more. Did I order a bushel? I think I ordered a bushel. Maybe I only ordered a couple. How foolish of me. Oh no, was that the wrong order? You need to be careful not to upset Lena. How large an order did she want? A bushel of brains. How does she want the dough? very wrinkly. Coming up. I did not order a bushel, I remember now. A couple was put in orange, so I thought maybe that was it. Okay, I was T-posing there for a second. I don't know how they didn't fall off the plane. But, you know, it's fine, it's fine. Ah, this is it. Look at those perfectly shrunken little cerebrae rolled in fried dough. They will sure to be delighted when she finds out. I regret doing that. Oh, yes, while we're here, let's talk to somebody else. Ah, I love her. Oh, it's Bay. So hungry. But oh, I skipped it. It's Lena's special day today, so I want to get her something special. She loves pan de morto. She says it's a food you give someone you love when you want to show that you remember them. I always try real hard to remember Lena. Her family used to make it for her all the time. She talks about it a lot, I think. Can you ask Popty to make some? I think it tastes best when it's ghosty, like her. Oh, I know. You can make it pretty, right? You should put flowers on it. Lena loves flowers. She takes care of her dead ones. See them floating around here? Can you put on pretty ones like those? Thank you, Pekya. Please hurry, I need to eat too. So my name's Pekya. That's cute. Makes sense since I'm a bird. Bay is ordering for Lena. I'm happy she remembered. Make sure she doesn't eat it herself, though. How should the bread be prepared? Posthumous? What decorations? Flowers. Coming up. T-posing again. Just keep on moving. Don't look it in the eyes. Don't look it in the eyes, boys. Just keep on walking. Oh yes, thank you. Lena will be very pleased, I think she said. I didn't read the rest, I skipped it. Oh, look at that, that's cute. Lena. Bay. Well, you know my memory's not so good. I can't remember the past well, even when we met, or the last time I ate. But I remember that remembering things is important to you, so for today I put all my thinking into this fluffy bread, so even when I forget, you can remember that I remembered. Oh, baby, you had this made just for me? Oh, it says perfect as always, even the flowers seem to be lovelier than usual. Oh, babe, I'm so thankful to know the sweetest zombie in the world. The truth is, I got you your favorite dessert too. What? It's food? What? 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 Happy weekly anniversary. Man, they do that every week. That's fun. Fran. Oh, hello. Hello to disappoint, but I will not be needing your services, Picarnia. You see, I've already packed a meal for myself to enjoy. Alone. It's just a simple sandwich. Modern produce. No, for the love of God, no. It's just a normal sandwich for a normal man. Frankensteak. Ah, no, it's just tofu. Okay, so I guess I don't need to get any food for them. I can tell when I'm not wanted. Oh. Ooh. Calvet. What ho, my feathered friend? I would say that I've seen you've been working hard, but I find that I can't see at all. Ho 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 ho! It seems I've misplaced my head again. I lost it at that accursed labyrinth, the one right here. I know it may not look like a fate fit for a noble warrior such as myself, but I assure you that vile tangle could best even the most hardened of knights. Ho ho, that is why I must call on you, my brave stratiform. A perilous quest, should you accept it. Please get my head back from the maze. I believe I dropped it somewhere deep within. Let's do this. I may be a bird girl who works at a bakery, but I can also get head if I need to. That came out terrible. The worst part is that it's hard to see. Oh, man, where am I? Oh no, no. Can I? No. Down this way. If only I could see better. Me. Don't got time for this. Let me through. Oh, hey. Oh, no. Oh. Nothing works. Man. What? What? No. How do I... I don't understand. Maybe the entrance I need isn't on the front. Maybe I gotta go around. No. No. I'll come back to that later. What's over here? Oh, a customer. Mind your own business. Oh, not a customer. Customer? Come talk to me when you're done with that delivery, huh? Sup, Pex? Order me something to eat too, will you? Pick up a handful of grass. Whoa, whoa, you're serious right now? You're gonna go to all that trouble just for old me? Hand over grass. Bah, this is lit, Pex. You're the best, you know? That was easy. I'm good at my job. Oh, you look cool. Hello, Picarnia. Are you enjoying this weather? No more customers. How sad. I just want to do my job. Oh. Lou, stay a little longer by my side, won't you? This night is young. Who you talking to? I have no clue. Pumpkin patch. I think it froze. I think it froze. Oh, oh. Sniffle. Oh no, you startled me. Are you alright? Sorry. I'm glad you aren't dead. Popty put in a big order of ingredients for tomorrow, so I was resting up. How are you working? I hope everyone's satisfied with my harvest today. I got a lot. Corn, oranges, corn, cocoa, corn, cucumber. Well, we may just have to finish this up in another video, because I think I'm running out of time. Small Leaf is out for now. Make sure to blossom, buds.